If you are looking for a managed software as a service product to use LLMs to talk to your data, then I believe chaindesk is a good option. Chaindesk has been around for some time now, and they have been improving day by day. In summary, it's a no code or low code platform that enables you to create a custom AI chatbot trained on your own data within seconds. You don't have to do any installation, and you don't need to know much technology behind machine learning and artificial intelligence if you are looking to use your own documents as data sources for LLMs. One of the great features of this chain desk is that it handles the PDF documents beautifully. They have recently released a new feature which is called as new chat assistant. The good thing about this chat assistant is that it is not just confined to English, rather it supports more than 100 languages as you can see on their website. So they have a global reach. Let me quickly show you some of the screenshots from their website as how their new chatbot assistant works. The first step you need to do is to log in there and then select your chain, like you want to do question and answer or summary or whatever, and then select the knowledge base as if that's where your documents reside. Once that's done, you need to provide a prompt or a text question as what exactly you want to ask from your own document. So you are basically chatting with your own documents. So you can see here, you can either start a new chat or you can ask some provided questions in different languages. Once that's done, it will not only provide you the answer but also the source document, and you can see that you can also preview the PDF documents at the moment. And there are various other formats which are in the pipeline. So all in all, I believe that this new feature is not only going to really revolutionize the way we are using LLMs, and you won't need to know much of the technology behind the scene because you can not only point it to your own custom data source, you can even create a data source within it. And another feature is that it supports autosync, which keeps the bot up to date with your data, and they automatically sync your data when possible. You can even set up a webhook or manually trigger a sync. So this is it. Please share your opinion. What do you think about this great new tooling around AI? Because I'm very excited and I'm more than sure that there'll be more and more tools like this out there. Thank you very much. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.